So we will go continue with assignment number 10 NPTEL. So we are with now last question, that is 9, and sub question, that is 10 on this. Now we have to go for this frame. Now first we have to see type of frame. Now as we have fixed support connected to beam, so we have this as non-sway frame. Now we will go with, so what we have to find? We have to find that frame given load condition for fixed end moment, clockwise moment is taken as positive. The 50 kilonewton load is applied at center of AB, and we have to check it MAB, MBA. So in the same way, now first we will find MFAB minus. Now I will not write formula, WL by 8. And we will get this value minus 31.25. So it is at center. So MFBA we will get same with plus 31.25. Then we have MFBC equal to MFCB equal to 0. And then we have MFBD. Now should be careful. Due to UDL, we have anti-clockwise moment. So my fixed end moment here will be clockwise. So minus W into L is 4, WL square by 12. So 1, 4 goes and that minus 10. So it goes to minus 40 kilonewton meter, and MFDB 40 kilonewton meter. Now I will directly write equation. We have theta A0, we have theta D0. So we will not take these in equations. So I can write, we have MAB. So we have MFAB. So MFAB we have minus 31.25 plus 4 EI upon L theta is 0. So plus 2 EI L we have 5. And that is theta B. And we have minus 31.25 plus 0.4 EI theta B. Then we will go MBA. So we have exactly double value of theta B, because 4 EI theta B and it goes to 0.8 EI theta B. Then we have MBC here. We will not go modified because we have to find out equation in which we have theta C also. So we have MBC, that is 0 plus 4 EI upon L we have 5 theta B plus 2 EI upon L theta C. And we will get it as 0.8 EI theta B plus 0.4 EI theta C. If we will go to MCB, then we have exactly opposite coefficients, 0.4 EI theta B plus 0.8 EI theta C. Then for MBD, we have fixed end moment minus 4, MFBD, we have seen this should be plus, because we will have clockwise MBD, and we will have this as minus, because due to this about D we have clockwise, so fixed end moment anti-clockwise. So we have plus 40 plus 4 EI upon L theta B. So 4 EI we have 2 EI, L we have 4 theta B, and we will get it as 40 plus 2 EI theta B. And then MDB we have minus 40 and half of theta B, EI theta B. And now if we will check this, then we have minus 31.25 plus 0.5 no, minus 31.5 plus 0.4 बराबर है. MBD we have minus 40, no, MBD we have plus, so this is not there. MBD 40 plus this is not EI theta B, MBD should be 2 EI theta B. So we have 31.25 बराबर 0.8 बराबर है. Then we have DB minus 40 correct, EI theta B. So we have option is D. And then we have last, that is absolute moment M A, M B, M D and A and D. So now I will write MBC directly modified equation instead of MBC and MCB unnecessarily involving one unknown. So instead of these two, I will directly go this as MBC equal to, we have fixed end moment 0, so directly 3 EI upon L theta B, and that will be 0.6 EI theta B. Now we have at joint C MBA, then we have to take MBC, and then we have to take MBD. So we have MBA, so we have MBA 31.25, so we have equation MBA plus MBC plus MBD, and that is equal to 0. MBA we have 31.25 plus 0.8 EI theta B. MBC we have calculated directly 0.6 EI theta B. Then MBD, so MBD we have 40 plus 2 EI theta B, and that is equal to 0. Then we have this as 0.8, 0.6, 1.4 and 2. So we will have this value as 3.4 EI theta B, and that is equal to 31.25, 40. So we have minus 71.25, and therefore EI theta B we will get it as 71.25 divided by 3.4, it comes 20.96. And now we have to find out values of MA, MD both. So now we have MAB, that is equal to minus 31.25 plus 0.4, and EI theta B is minus 20.96. And this will gives me value of MAB, that is equal to minus 39.63 kilonewton meter. And then we will go MBA, sorry, we have MDB, and we have MDB, that is equal to minus 40 minus EI theta B, and EI theta B we have 20.96, and this will gives me minus 60.96 kilonewton meter. So we have first option only. So we have option is A. So likewise we have to go these problems on slope deflection equation, that is of assignment number 10. Thank you.